All right, guys, I'm doing a little cool project. This is going to be kind of like a coming soon because I don't have it finished, but I'm going to show you where I'm at, and then I'm going to make a video showing the completion of it and then flying it. So this is a Nano S3 that I've built up, but it's not complete. We have a normal gear, but a titanium micro-heli shaft, aluminum micro-heli swash, hub, DFC blade grips, and micro-heli landing gear. We have the CPX tail because it's yellow. I'm going to be using this micro-heli canopy. And I'm just trying to make an S3 that's brushless because I already have two S3s. One is stock, fully stock, and one is a little bit upgraded, and I use this pH 2.0 connector with these batteries. They're 300 milliamp 80C, and I use these as well in my brushless upgraded CPX. This thing's got a ton of upgrades as well, and it uses the CPX landing gear and these batteries. But I just came across these batteries. They're 270 milliamp 75C, so should be similar power, but these weigh 8.5 grams, these weigh 6.5. So these are going to save me 2 grams, and they go in the stock landing gear. I did have to take off the sticker. I tested one out, and they fit with the sticker, but really tight. So you take off the sticker, there's one on each side. They fit in there real good. Now my CPX, this thing that's gone brushless. This thing is specially done. I didn't actually do it. I bought it from a guy that had done this. I hate taking this hard canopy off, but I want to show you guys the difference. There we go. So this one is direct soldered. I added this 2.0, but this guy direct soldered the ESC to the board and whatever else is done in there where there's less connections. You only see the ESC going to the board on one connection. If we look at here's my CPX that's stock, but I put the plug-and-play kit in. This one, same exact brushless kit. It's the same CPX, just not as upgraded. But you'll see on this one, with this one, you have to plug the kit into the battery port, the battery plug of the plane, and then this will plug in to the battery, and then it all goes up through here. I got it wrapped around, so how I got it set, it works. But there's just more plugs involved, and the plug and play works fine. That's how I'm flying this one. I've only had a few flights on this to test it. I just had a brand new CPX, and I decided to throw the brushless kit in there. So this one's not used much yet. But it works good like that, but I'm going to do this new S3 a little different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 2.0 to this, but then the brushless kit, it's just the motor. So usually on this brushless kit, this plugs in to here, and then you plug in your battery to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip these wires and get rid of this connector and just solder these two wires together for a little bit less resistance. And then I'm going to snip off the standard plug, and I'm going to put on the pH 2.0 to use with these tattoo batteries. And then this is just an old S3 motor that's no good anymore. I need to use this because the connector on the CPX and the S3 for the tail motor is different. The old one's just the two prongs that are sticking out. This one has an actual plug. So, well, you can see it right here. So this plug is just one wire. I need to connect this orange wire to this one's white wire. And so I'll just use the cord from here, and then I can plug that in. So I'll only have a battery plug in. Everything else will be connected wires to help reduce any resistance there. So we'll see how that goes once I get it done. I've looked on some forums. People say it works, so I'm going to give it a go. I've heard of these kits being used on the CPS and S2 a couple times online. Very few about the S3, but one guy was saying he did it. It works great. So we're going to give that a test. So I'll have more videos coming soon on the completion of this and a test flight. And it's pretty cool if we can get a brushless S3. I wish Horizon Hobby would give us a brushless S4, hopefully soon. Hopefully we'll get one of those. I have no idea. I have no insider information. I just hope for that. And just for fun, you can see my other ones there. I got the BL2, the BL1, and then this is my really upgraded BL original. I don't fly that much because I got the beater over there. And then my 180 CFX, only thing I've done to it. The stock tail was it would twist on the tail boom, the tail case. So I did just get a micro heli tail case. Every other part in here is still stock, just the case. And now it's very tight on there, so that's cool. I got to bring it to a park. These other ones I can fly right outside my house. But just wanted a little coming soon. We'll get this S3 done soon. I got the servos coming and they're in the mail. They should get here in like maybe 3-4 days. And other than that, I just got to do the connecting the wires and we'll give it a go. So stay tuned and we'll have hopefully a flight of the S3 in the next week. Hopefully, maybe. We'll see what happens. Happy flying. We'll see y'all later.